Bust some criminals in the bank.
And hi guys, I'm Kevin Linda.
I am Mike and we're playing JailBreak and I will get so much XP.
Why?
Because I am pro jailbreakian. Yeah, you suck.
I have so many saves. What is my mission? Break some out of handguards. I want to break somebody out of handguards, but I can't.
You need to grab my pistol first. Don't oof me.
Okay.
And then follow me to
I got a key card.
You need a pistol.
Why?
Because that way they'll think you're a criminal.
Okay.
Okay, follow me. Don't grab your pistol. I'm gonna arrest someone.
Okay.
Well, how much? Oh, they're still.
Okay. How much prisoner they have here? Oh, criminals running from you.
Oh, punch! You still punch.
I can break him. I know escape.
Just escape. Stand on my head. Go out.
How can I go out?
Stand on my head and jump out. Somebody stole my key card.
Get her. Get him.
No, I can't get money because you want to leave jail. I need to do my missions. Just follow me around and I can arrest people.
I want to get in the helicopter. Mike. I want to get into a helicopter.
Okay, get in.
I want to drive the helicopter.
Why?
Mike, there's somebody punching. Arrest him and I can break him out of handcuffs.
Yes, I know. Jump. I ragged out quickly.
What?
I arrested this guy.
Where are you then?
Punch box.
Here, Mike, come here. There's criminals here.
They aren't criminals.
They escape. They're in the car.
No, they're not. They're here. Quickly!
I'm quickly in. Yay! Arrest this guy.
Bacon. Okay, I need to bust somebody in the bank. And call the cargo plane. Grab a heli. You're my enemy now, Kevin.
Why?
Because you're a prisoner. You're my enemy.
I'm going now. I'm going away. I have a key card, so that's the awesome thing about it. Volume is too big. Volume too big.
Why?
You got oofed by AK. I need to collect 3,000 bounty. That's easy. 3,000 bounty is the easiest.
Quickly off him. Stupid.
You can't oof people, Mike. It's my friend. And you cannot oof my friend.
Yay, you got oofed. You mess with the wrong guy and get oofed. Get oofed and
do my stupid silly car. It's a bank robbery, just
J store. You can't read.
I don't have any stuff on my head. Where do I go? Collect 3,000 bounty. Okay, I'll select that mission. Oh, I already selected.
What? It's without dying. If you off, you need to do it again.
Yes, without dying, Mike. This is easy without dying. If I have a helicopter, it will be easier.
Yes. If you have a helicopter.
You only need 4,000.
I want to bust the bank.
And there's nobody at the bank.
Call the cargo plane.
Oh, briefcase. I'm gonna take this briefcase for sure.
City.
Oh no, oh no.
Grab a jet ski. Black. And
You get off, police officer. Don't you dare camp me again.
Camp Kevin is the best thing. Just started a bank robbery. Why didn't you wait?
What?
I just freaking the hell want to go to call the cargo plane. And you just started a bank.
I didn't start the
I said
bank.
somebody else. I didn't say you. I mean somebody
You
else.
just went to the cargo plane and somebody.
Freaking isn't. Now I have to run to my car. And now
You
I
have
to
a heli.
summon a car. What?
You have a heli,
I
Mike.
don't. The heli was somebody else's. Somebody. Oof.
I need to hijack a heli right now, right now.
The police has entered the building.
Go, go,
Dun,
go.
dun, dun. Yeet. No, I didn't accept my mission.
Ha 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 ha.
Just remember that.
Stupid Mike.
It's all Kevin's fault.
It's not my fault.
Yes, it is.
How is my fault? Oh, heli, 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 heli. Give me this heli. No. Yes, yes. I can collect 3,000 bounty for no more problem. Get this, get this, get this.
Bank is still open.
Go, go.
Nope.
My dog is pushing the heli. I can't hijack. What the heck?
Yay.
I hijack
I'm
it.
gonna be a criminal. I'm gonna rob the museum and the power plant.
Nobody's going to let you rob the museum. Oh, briefcase.
Yeet. It's near the donut shop, I know.
No, it's not near the donut shop.
Yes, it's in the small town. You think I don't know?
Oh no, there's a briefcase. Broken briefcase. I'm gonna rob the power plant.
Why?
I wanted to. I need to collect.
Well, pick me up from prison.
Why?
I need to rob the power plant.
No, why? Why do I want you to rob the power plant?
Because power plant is good.
Okay, I'm going to prison.
I am escaping prison. I am near the Camaro.
Now I don't need to pick you up because you escape prison.
But I can't go to the power plant fast.
Stupid little Mike.
I'm a police officer. Just kidding. Your dog. What? Your dog is named Gracie? Your dog's name is Gracie.
Yes.
Isn't it? Wolf?
No.
Your dog's name is Gracie.
There's a cop. Do you want his
Why
key
don't
card?
you name him?
Do you want this cop's key card?
I don't have guns.
I have guns. Do you want this cop's key card?
Okay.
Okay. I'll go down and I'll take you. Go and attack him, dog.
Dog can buy cars.
Okay, it's a pistol.
Well, I have a gun now. Eat.
Eatamus. Sweetamus. I'm going away.
Press G.
What the heck? Why are you going to the rope? Go into the power. After we do the power plant.
Museum or power plant?
Power plant first.
Okay. I'm gonna finish.
Power plant is open.
I'm gonna finish that first. Or if I do the glitch, I will oof Terrible.
I will finish that puzzle.
This one?
What?
Which one?
This is so easy puzzle.
Okay, I'll let you finish. Your dog will oof. Your dog can't get in.
He will teleport.
Dogs can jump.
He can oof, Mike, if he step into
Yes,
the
he's
laser.
invincible.
Okay.
Low key invincible. Nine, 8, 2.
This is freaking too hard.
Easy. Finished.
You finish it?
Yes.
Don't leave.
I'm not gonna leave. I am waiting. Quickly. I'm gonna accept my mission. Quickly!
This is hard, but
Quickly!
oh. One more puzzle. I'm going jump. Don't
I will
take
have
any-
no cash.
Don't take any damage. Just like quick craft.
Jump!
Doesn't.
Jump!
Now finish my mission.
Get out!
Now. What the
Hey,
heck?
turn in your money, stupid. Let me in.
Okay, in.
Quickly.
Go, 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 go.
I only have 4,070. 700.
But you can buy the dog.
No, I'm about to be 4,000. And 3,000.
What's 3,000?
I am 3,090. 900. 3,700.
Jump.
Go. Yeet. Quickly turn in my money. Money.
Yay.
Yeah. Museum.
Add 1,000 bounty.
Museum. Music.
Go, go, go. The pizza store. I need to rob the donut store first.
Why?
Just lying.
You need 3,000 bounty. How much bounty do you have right now?
1,000.
Power plant 1,000.
No, power plant is not 1,000. I killed
Kevin,
two
did
cops.
your game crash?
No. My game crashed.
Me too. What did Asimo just upgrade it? Did he?
No, he didn't. Don't you dare. Don't you dare upgrade. Asimo?
No, he didn't.
Yes. My game just literally crashed for no reason.
Me too.
Why? You have to crash on me, game? To escape jail. I hate you, Mike. I'm playing now.
Me too. Well, I finished my mission and now I can just rob the power plant again and get my stuff.
No, my 3,000 bounty is gone.
Oh, not the museum without dying. I'm gonna turn into a cop.
Why?
I'm gonna bust some criminals out of the bank.
I'm going to turn into a cop and arrest 3 people.
Arrest 3 people so easy. That's so easy.
Quickly. Is there any prisoners? Oh, there's a lot of prisoners.
Oh, there's a lot of prisoners.
Quickly.
You're a prisoner, Kevin. Kevin, you're a prisoner.
I'm a police.
Oh, you just turned into a police. You were a criminal. You're a prisoner just then. Driving my car. You. What are you
Where's my
doing?
mission, Bobby?
Driving my car like a pro. Driving my car like a pro. Kevin is a pro.
Someone just got into the vent. Go, 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 go. Somebody just went into the vent.
Yeah, I'm riding the bank truck. Lock the bank truck. Dum 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 dum.
Oh, why?
Yeet.
Will not escape already.
Yay, monies. Eat, eat. I can buy the dog when I redeem this money. Yay. Eat, 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 eat. Yay. 6,400 cash. No. Heat. Wait, did my game crash? Oh, my game didn't crash. Do this, do this, do this.
Why my missions?
Why your mushrooms? Grab. So much cash. 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 Everything disappeared. Can't go in.
Why?
Oh, come on.
I need to go somewhere else.
Why?
Get
You need to get napkins? What's this? Hammer. Oh, she's a. Bank. High bank. Eat. Oh, wait.
Go.
See bank? Anybody? Nope.
I'm letting you in.
Come and rob the bank. I want to oof you.
No, why?
Say about this. In seconds. So long. Kevin, do you want to rob the museum with me?
Yeah! I just finished up on this mission.
Kevin, do you want to rob the museum?
I need to finish this mission first.
Okay, first. Rob the museum.
Accept.
I'm gonna do it. Now it's team speak.
Wow.
Look.
Did you finish all of your police missions?
No, I need to bust some criminals out of the bank and call the cargo plane. Jump.
I'm gonna freaking crash.
Yay.
Bunkers. Why? Do my gun always crash? I need to leave again.
Yeet. Our fan says he is a huge fan and I can't believe that.
Huge fan of what?
Huge fan of me. Yeet. Yay, buy a tag.
Okay, my police dog.
My tag's name.
If you name your dog, you will put hashtags on it. You will literally put hashtags.
Yes. Mike. My tag has hashtags. I can't rename him.
You can, but you can rename him Oof.
This. My tag is Max. My tag's name is Max. No, Max can't get on. Max. Max. Yay, Max can teleport. Max have teleportation skills.
Okay, I'll be a criminal.
Gosh.
My mission is taking too
Is
long.
there anything in the bunk? Yeet. Why do nobody wants the bank? Max. What? Max? With 14 more people. Come on, do you want to rob the museum?
I want to collect bounty.
Yay, my tag is in the car.
Your dog is in the who now?
Car. Let's see. I have 6,850. Oh my god. Get on the car. Shoot. Yeet.
Go, go, go. There's so many criminals.
There's so many police. Look how many police there are.
There's so many prisoners in
Bank! Bank! Quick! Quick! Bank! Quickly, please go to bank.
Go quickly.
Yes.
I need this. Oh,
No! Somebody else got busted in the bank. No. Somebody else got busted.
Quickly, I need this.
I can't jump.
Quickly.
Out of the bank.
Am I this?
Oh.
This guy is already going to the heli. I'm sad.
Savage.
I hate savage. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go.
Oh my God, Jesus! No, my, oh my, Jesus! God, no!
You don't do that to me. Okay, I can go
Shoot
away.
you!
I have 20,000.
You better be.
I buy the dog and now I have 20,000 already.
Yay! Can I ride my dog? Can I?
You can ride your dog.
I can ride other people's dogs. Stand on the dog.
No, you can't.
Yes, I can.
Where? I just got arrested.
My dog's name is Max. And you, J Store.
What?
Let me in. Let me in, J Store.
J Store must stay store, must stay store, just stay.
To this.
Stay
No.
store, must stay store, must stay store.
I can glitch in. Yeet. This. Can glitch in with this. Max. 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 Run.
Go! Go! Go to our car!
Jump. Jump.
Go to our car. Now. I'm in it.
What?
Go to our car.
Go
Now.
to our cabin. Dirt bike. Dirt bike. Okay. Yeet. Yeet.
Gonna get arrested.
Gonna wait
Just
for
like
everything.
this, and you're gonna get arrested.
Wait for everything.
My handcuff is broke.
No! Your handcuff is broken. Yay!
Oh, my hand.
Cow.
Oh.
Jump. The criminals in the jewelry store. No, the jewelry store is closed.
Oh, interesting. I have a heli.
Yay. Oh, another of our fans joined. Yeet.
I hate those fans.
Why? Because you're stupid. Jump, jump, jump. Yeet. Yeet. Max. Dum, 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 dum.
What?
And then do.
Oh, I have two I have one friend. Don't go on the rope.
Quickly.
Jump out. Last time I go to a gun store, there's a camping cup.
Let's see.
And I hate camping cups. And now I'm gonna grab the nothing store. Oh, is that a cup? Oh, it's not a cup. It's definitely not a cup. Go to here, get my dog. Go, 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 go. Yeah, my heli. Oh my god. Hỏi à, lũ kia là bug. Go, 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 go. How much is the Doom buggy cost? Let me see.
Ride it.
How much is the Doom buggy cost? 45,000. I can get that. I'll need 25,000 more.
What?
Go, 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 go.
Days. You suck.
Power plant open. Yes, power plant is open.
No, power play is not open. Jump in the driver.
My God! Freaking crashed!
Is that good?
And I think this will be today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye, guys.
Goodbye.